Many of you can just start this strategy just after watching this video, and it works all over the world. You can do it from almost every country in the world, and this is something which will give you fast results. So definitely, if you are excited, smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome content just for you, so that you can take the first movers advantage and make the maximum money as soon as possible. So now let's jump into our juicy content. Okay, so now let's discuss our strategy and the product. Okay, so the product which we are going to utilize for the strategy is known as custom keto diet. Okay, you can just sign up for ClickBank, and then you just need to go to marketplace over here. Okay, once you go to marketplace, then you will find this kind of product. Okay, this is known as custom keto diet. Now this is one of the best product, and you will get $50 of commission whenever you sell one of this product. Okay, someone clicks on your link, affiliate link, and purchases this product, then you will get a good commission of this product. That is the best thing about this product. Okay, so we will be promoting this product in this method, and I am going to show you how you can do it absolutely very simply and easily. Okay, you just need to click on this page, which is known as click www.customketodiet.com/affiliates. Okay, you just need to click on this page. Okay, so once you have clicked on this page, then you will come to a page just like this. You just need to enter your email and your ClickBank username so that you can get all this things. Okay, so once you go to this page, then you can come to this page. Okay, this is the resources page where you will find all the resources through which you can promote this particular product, which is known as custom keto diet. Okay, now I will show you what type of resources you need to utilize for this. Okay, so once you have got in and once you have clicked on this and you have opened this page, then you will come to this page. Okay, so you will find all the resources regarding custom keto diet. Okay, so you can see there is product information, there is social media, there are lead magnets, there are videos, all this type of things, or the things which you can utilize to promote this product are available on this. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, we are going to utilize banners. Okay, so once you click on this banners, you will find all these banners. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to just download one of the banner and utilize this. All you need to do is just take, this is the affiliate link. You just need to replace your ClickBank username over here. This X is written over here. You just need to replace your ClickBank username over here. Okay, and then it will be your affiliate link. After that, whenever someone clicks on this banner, then you will be paid when clicks on this banner and purchases the product, then you will be paid $50 of commission. Okay, you can download any of those banners. Okay, don't worry, any banner is fine. Okay, but we need a custom size banner. Okay, so now we will just check out which is the best size for banners. Okay, so I highly recommend you this size. Okay, this size and also this size of banner. Okay, don't go for the longer ones. Okay, these are the best sizes of banners. Okay, so now you have got the product to promote, you have also got the banner. Now how we are gonna utilize this banner to make money online, that is also really simple and easy. Okay, so you can go to this website that is known as adclerks.com, adclerks.com. Okay, now what you can do is that you can purchase a website space over here. Okay, means all these websites are willing to give you space on their website for your banner ads. Okay, so you can place your banner ads on this website, and the thing is that it is really very cheap. Okay, it does not cost you a ton of money. Now you can see this is the one of the best website. Okay, you can get 67,000 impressions on your banner. Okay, and you can just place that banner on this website just for $45. Okay, you can just search for health category and you will find all this website. Okay, where you can just place your banner on this websites. Okay, and that is something which is really easy and simple. This is $1,000, but we don't need to spend that kind of money for this. Okay, you can get a banner on the particular website which is probably getting a lot of traffic, so that you can get this many kind of impressions on your banner. And even only 10 people, even 100, if 100 people click on this banner and only 10 people purchase, then definitely even with one sale you are gonna cover the cost of whatever you are paying to the advertiser on this website. And that is something which is the best thing about this website. Okay, so you can just pay this guy $45 and you can just buy an ad space. Okay, and then you can provide the banner. Once you just purchase the ad space, this guy will probably tell you what size of banner you want you need. Okay, you can just then you just need to go over here, and probably all the size of banners are available on this website. So you just need to download the banner, provide that banner to this guy, and provide your affiliate link to this guy, and he will place it in his website, and for a month, and you will start receiving all those impressions and a lot of clicks and a lot of traffic. That is the method which you need to utilize. This is something which works all over the world, and this is something which which advanced affiliates are using to make money. Okay, so many of the people just don't reveal all the secrets about affiliate marketing to the people. I reveal all the secrets because I really want you to make money online. Okay, I don't want to hold back anything. I want you to make some money, because I was also one who was stuck into a 9 to 5 job, and there was no way for me to escape that. But still, I just figured out the way to make money online. I had to face a lot of problems, so I figured out this way to make money online. I don't want you to face that problems. I want you to make money online as soon as possible. Leave your 9 to 5 job as quickly as possible. So if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button. And if you really want to work on this strategy, and if you are not at all having a $45 for this method, then 2 awesome videos will be appearing in the end screen. You can watch those videos and you can just earn $45 from the methods, which are free methods, which are provided in those videos in the end screen. Okay, so definitely watch those videos. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this.